Alright guys, here's our 3D rendering starting with the desk. This is to size and scale off the measurements I took. The back wall here is 106 inches and we have 50 inches of space underneath here. The current desk is 48 and from the floor to the underside of this drawer stretcher is 23 inches, and these guys are about 26 inches wide. 26 and 3/8 wide. These are relatively skinny drawers. The drawer front will be 4 inches tall, so you'll have about 2 inches, a 2-inch deep drawer here, and then these drawers here. This top drawer, and this is the front, is 6 and 3/16, 7 1/2, and 9 1/4. And I've quoted it with the Cascade style door front that Nicole showed me with that beading on the inside, the shaker white, and this is included with a lightly distressed, back to 3D here, lightly distressed wood top that is scribed to the back wall, meaning it'll follow the contours of the wall and it'll be scribed to this end here. And this price includes installation, and these are just 3/4 extension Metabox drawers. So the insides of this are finished. They're just white sides. They don't have that same paneling, but this side would. Okay. And then the master bath. I'll get rid of these walls here so we can see this a little bit better. But I think this is what you would orient that bath, the tub with, someplace over there. So with Nicole's makeup counter here, from the right side of the counter, we're 14 inches away from the wall, a drawer stack, and this is the same sizing for the drawer stack as Garrett's desk. The top of this is, the finished height will be about 29 inches, same with the desk. And this drawer has the same dimensions. The drawer front's 4, so just really a little utility or pencil drawer, and then a filler or a finished leg that comes down on the side here. So the left side of this would be panelized, the right side would be white. Left side of this is white, and the right side of this is panelized. Because this is I'll show you why we just do a white on the inside and paneling on one. So with that style of cabinetry that I showed you guys, and I can open up a picture of that to refresh your memories. So the right side of this is an applied panel, so this would match the front, but it would just be a finished white side on this side. And the reason, I mean, we could put a panel on there, but if we do that, that panel would come in between here, and it's going to throw off the balance a little bit. I could end it underneath, but I think it looks cleaner if we just don't put a panel here and just keep the left side of this just finished without an applied panel. Otherwise, that panel ends right underneath here, and there's just quite a bit going on if we do that. You guys can talk that over or ask more questions if you're still unsure about that description of how that would work. And the vanity, again, this is all to size and scale. You would have to have a plumber move some pipes in that wall, right? Your sink is centered to have another set or more plumbing put over here, and the john here is on center. From the center of that, 16 inches to the side, which is code. A drawer stack in the middle, and we can look at that in the elevation view. So these sink cabinets are 24 wide. The doors go all the way up, and then the top of this is would be finished out at about 36 inches, 36 1/2, depending on how thick the tile is. And ideally, this would be put in before the tiling on the floor, so they can tile right up to it, because I don't want to put this on top of tile. But these drawer stacks are a little bit different. This is 13 high, 11 1/4, and 6 3. And then I put a finished or a plywood top on there. It's prepped and ready for granite. Same thing with Nicole's makeup desk. And then let me pull up a picture of the style of cabinetry that we do, just to refresh your memory. Because a picture Nicole had showed me was called a flush inset, and then this is that Euro style that we do here. So this is what you guys would have. It's a pretty clean, sleek look. So anyway, if you have any questions, let me know, and I can make changes or modify dimensions. Thanks, guys.